Imagine a secret world where AI powers the decisions that shape our future. Now picture Amazon, a company you'd usually associate with online shopping, playing a pivotal role in this. Amazon has just announced a groundbreaking $50 billion investment to build AI and supercomputing infrastructure, specifically for United States government agencies. This massive undertaking aims to add an impressive 1.3 gigawatts of capacity across its AWS top secret, secret, and GovCloud regions. But why is this important, and what does it mean for you and me? To break it down, Amazon's new infrastructure will be the first of its kind, designed to handle classified AI workloads. Essentially, this means Amazon is setting up the backbone for secure and powerful computing environments that can process sensitive governmental data. This move will serve over 11,000 government entities, ranging from defense to intelligence agencies, offering them tailored solutions to harness the power of AI. Why now? The timing is no coincidence. As nations race to assert dominance in the AI space, having robust, secure infrastructure becomes imperative. For the US, this development boosts national security capabilities, enabling better data processing for defense strategies, intelligence analysis, and cybersecurity. From a technical standpoint, adding 1.3 gigawatts of capacity is no small feat. To put this in perspective, that's about the energy capacity needed to power over 1 million homes. Amazon's decision to centralize this power for classified AI workloads opens up a new era in computing, one where AI's potential is fully realized within the confines of national security. However, this bold move doesn't come without scrutiny. Critics argue that centralizing so much power in the hands of one corporate entity raises concerns. What happens when a single private company holds the keys to such critical infrastructure? Supporters, on the other hand, argue that Amazon's expertise in cloud computing makes it well suited to handle these sensitive workloads efficiently and securely. They say that leveraging private sector innovation is crucial to keeping the pace with global technological advancements. So, what does this mean for the future? As Amazon builds this colossal AI infrastructure, it might set a precedent for how private-public partnerships can augment national capabilities. In a world where data is the new oil, will this lead to other countries adopting similar models? And what implications might this have on global AI competition? The question we must ask ourselves is, as we move forward into this era of AI-driven intelligence, how do we balance the benefits of technological advancements with the ethical considerations of power and influence? It's a dialogue that will no doubt shape the policies and priorities of the future.